Defence Minister Rajnath Singh formally inducted the Indigenously-Developed Light Combat Helicopters (LCH) in the Indian Air Force at a ceremony held at Air Force Station Jodhpur in Rajasthan. LCH would be inducted into the 143 helicopter unit. LCH has been named as Prachanda. Addressing the ceremony, Singh said induction of LCH not only adds to the combat capability of the Air Force but is also a great leap towards the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat. He added that the need for a combat helicopter was seriously felt during the Kargil War, and LCH is a culmination of 2 decades of effort to address this need. The induction of LCH in the Indian Air Force is expected to provide further momentum to Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan.
प्रचंड शक्ति, प्रचंड वेग और प्रचंड प्रहार की क्षमता वाले इस एलसीएच का इंडक्शन हमारी एयर फोर्स की कैपेबिलिटीज में बढ़ोतरी के साथ साथ रक्षा उत्पादन क्षेत्र में आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर भी यह एक बड़ा कदम है।
The PA Sangma International Medical